In this tutorial, we will see that how you can remove account restrictions from Facebook in just few steps. So let's dive right in. Facebook restrict an account when a user violates its community standards and policies. Restriction may be temporary and permanent depending on the severity of violation. So here are some of general steps that you can take in such case. Firstly, you should try to understand the reason behind your account restriction. For this, firstly, go to notifications and keep an eye on Facebook notifications about your details of restriction. If you believe the restriction was a mistake or if you want to resolve the issue, then you can follow these steps. So you will be on this home page. You have to click on your profile on right top side, and here it will open up this menu. You have to scroll down and here you will find this settings and privacy. Open it. In settings and privacy, open up this settings, and here you find this account center from Meta. You have to click on this see more in account center. In account settings, you have to open personal details. Then open this account confirmation, the third option. Here you'll find this option of identity confirmation. So to remove account restrictions from Facebook, the first step is to verify yourself by giving your sum of details. After clicking on this, confirm your identity. So after doing this first step, so let's move on to second step. Go back to menu and scroll down. Here you'll find this help and support. Open it and open up this report a problem. Then click OK and then come to notifications, and here you have to take screenshot or you can shake your phone. It will automatically take screenshot from there, and then you have to click on this. So after following these steps, your account will be okay, but if your account was restricted due to a serious violation of Facebook's policies such as repeated harassment or sharing prohibited content, it may be difficult to have the restriction lifted. So these were the steps to remove account restrictions from Facebook in just few steps.